To start off with, remember that pile of rocks that was here? Well, I finally used them, and I have one left over there and one to be broken up there, and I'll show you what I did with them. We've had lots of rain this last week, so the ornamental grass is doing wonderful. Got plenty of water, and it looks healthy. Lots of progress in the last 2 days. I finished row 1, and I started on the circular row, and I just gave up because I was just too tired, but I do have the base in. When they put the fence in, I really wanted the fence post to go up against my wall there, but because of the tree that's there, it spread its roots too far away, and to make the fence go even, they moved the fence is about a foot from the wall. So with that gap there, I decided, well, there's a good place to pile those rocks. And there they are. But I also now have a pile of rocks there to get rid of that has been torn away from the different walls that we have covered. So like I said, wall 1, row 1 is now complete. And we're now working on this circular wall, which will be 3 blocks high. And then we're ready for the toppers.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.